What's up, guys? Welcome back to MGBL. These might be the craziest pairs of shoes I ever got, but are very limited and rare. So I'm gonna show you. Before we get into the shoe, I just want to go over some history on the SB collab and who is Futura, because I didn't know who he was until I researched him. Interesting what kind of collaboration this is. So I'm gonna start with Futura himself. So Futura's real name is Leonard McGurr. He is a pioneering graffiti artist from New York City who emerged basically in the 1970s, and he's renowned for his abstract style. He moved beyond traditional graffiti lettering to incorporate vibrant colors. Over the years, Futura has collabed with numerous high-profile brands, including Nike, Uniqlo, especially Off-White, and he has made significant impact in the world of fashion and mainstream today. Now, a quick history lesson on Nike SB. So we all know the Nike Dunk, right? It came out in 1985, basically when the Nike Air Jordan 1 came out. The Dunks were on sale racks, and from there, skateboarding was just starting. So skaters would go and buy Dunks at outlet stores for like whatever price it was back then. And then essentially they would, you know, kind of take that and go skateboarding with them because it was, you know, budget friendly. And then in the 90s, that's when skateboarding completely blew up and became its own sport. That's when people like Tony Hawk emerged and all those guys. So Nike took note of that, and, you know, they tried some things out, but they weren't hitting the right notes with their footwear, but they just kept selling Dunks, right? So in 2002, that's when Nike made Nike SB, which is skateboarding, or it could mean something else. A lot of people think it's after a skater name, but it's basically skateboarding, I would think. So they came out in 2002, and, you know, Futura's had many collaborations with them. He's made a famous pair of Dunk highs. I'm gonna put a thumbnail over here. They're resale for crazy amounts of money. And there was also another pair he was responsible for, but this was an Off-White collab with the Nike Dunks. So as you can see, he really likes doing collaborations with the Dunks, which is cool because we get these unique designs, as you can see in the shoe that I'm about to show you. But yeah, that's a little quick history lesson on what's going on with Futura and Nike. So at least you guys know what I'm talking about, because most people are gonna be like, what are you talking about? But, you know, with every shoe, there's history, and with history, you gotta learn so you can make better content and explain what you're actually doing, right? So this is a review / history lesson, so I hope it helps you. But anyways, let's get into the shoe. Okay, guys, hopefully you liked my little history lesson, but yeah, now let's get into the shoes. So right here, you see this on this side. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see that little red hole there? Both of them have that, but only one of them has that little red hole. You can see on this side too. This is the right pair right now. So I don't know why they did this, but I guess it's to make it stand out. But to go over more of this shoe, so basically it is a canvas type material, and I believe it was a big canvas and they just splattered graffiti on it, designed it, and then they cut it up into multiple pieces, and then they sent it off to the factory to make this kind of design. And the swoosh is a nice nubuck suede, and it's a little teal color going all the way around the shoes. And then on the side of it, you got Futura's logo, Laboratories, and then on the tongue, you got Nike SB X Futura, and then inside you got a custom air unit sole. SBs come with them, and you got pink laces here. I haven't unboxed, but yeah. And then you have a translucent outsole. It also says Futura on it, as you guys can see. And, you know, to be honest, these pairs of shoes are really sick and really rare. I can't think of a release this year that can match the uniqueness of this shoe. Now, color-wise, I know SBs are common, that, you know, they're hype right now, but this pair specifically are so good, I don't even want to wear them. I don't know if maybe in the future, maybe I'll sell them, or maybe I'll keep them as a grail, because Nike SBs like this right now, I'm gonna warn you right now, if you guys can keep this dead stock condition, you're probably gonna make close to like $2,000 in the next 5-6 years, because they're not gonna release these again. As I've seen with Dunks, they go up their resale value goes really high up, and at that point they're unaffordable. So who's gonna drop $2,000 on these? But, you know, I have them right now, and I'm on the fence of whether to wear them or not. But, you know, if you go on YouTube and look up on feet, I'm sure you guys will find them. I just don't want to do an on feet for these because I'm going to keep them fresh. They're too good to wear, I think, in my opinion, because just like they look perfect the way they are, like just out of the box. Like, oh my God, see? But like I said, man, this shoe is probably going to be maybe in the top 3 of my sneaker of the year when I do my video. But at the same time, guys, like, you know, it's not everyone's taste, right? If you're not a colorful dude or you don't like these funky colors, then obviously you're not going to like it. But for guys like me who like to be different, and owning a shoe that only 30,000 were made in the world, according to stock numbers from Nike, based on reports I've been seeing, you know, you kind of feel like part of that group that, you know, I have this exclusive pair of shoes. Similar to when if somebody has a Freddy Krueger Dunks, right, from 2007. Those are a grail as well. They sell for over 50 grand, maybe 100 grand, depends where you go. I mean, you know, it's kind of hard to justify spending a lot of money on dunks, but only 150 pairs were made of Freddy Kruegers, you know, so only 30,000 were made of these. And you know, this is a grail, man. This is a good collector's piece. Only time will tell if I wear them. I honestly do not know what the future holds, but that's pretty much it, guys. I've recently hit 100 subscribers, so thank you for all the support. I want to continue to grow on YouTube. My next goal is 1,000, and when I start hitting those big numbers, I'm going to start doing some giveaways on some shoes, you know, and some other stuff, right? Just to give back to my community. Well, with that, guys, I'm out of here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.